Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. And today quick video, quick tip, how to replace a cabin filter or a pollen filter as you want on Audi A3. This is the 1.6 version. So guys, let's go really quick, real tip, let's go. So the pollen filter, it's located under here. You need to remove this, open this box. Jesus. This arrow should be always down. So guys, these letters should stay to this side. So guys, as you can see, this is a really quick job and it's a really quick video also, and of course you can do it by yourself at home. Guys, take a look at my other videos and see you soon. Stay tuned.